Hi crochet friends! I wanted to take a few minutes and share what's happening over on my Patreon this July. Our theme this month is Made with Love, and it's all about those meaningful, heartfelt projects we create for the people we care about. And everything this month ties into stitches, stories, and memories, because the things we create often hold special moments and feelings. To start off the month, you will get a special double pattern bonus, and I call these two cuties Dottie and Dawson Deer. I put a lot of love and attention into their patterns because they are a part of my Yarnwood Crochet Storybook series, and I feel that they truly capture the heart of our Made with Love theme. Every Tuesday I share a downloadable crochet tip card that ties into our monthly theme. Each one comes in two handy sizes so you can print whatever one works best for your space. Many members love to laminate them and keep them on a binder ring, and it's a fun, practical way to build your own crochet toolkit. And of course, this month's tip card fits perfectly in with our Made with Love Crochet Keepsake theme. On the first Wednesday of each month, I love to drop something fun on my Patreon, and sometimes it's just a sticker. It can be a whole collection of stickers, or a crochet-themed coloring page, or just a little surprise to brighten your week. And I do this for fun because everyone deserves a special little treat now and then. This month you'll get the Made with Love Crochet Sticker Collection, and you can download and print these on sticker paper. You can use them for yourself, or you can even include them as fun little freebies when selling your own crochet creations. Every month you will get an exclusive Etsy discount, and this is just for my Patreon members because you deserve a little extra love for supporting my work. And depending on the tier that you sign up for, you'll either get a 10, 20, or even a 25% off all of my crochet patterns and everything else included in my shop. I'm excited to share that I've just launched a brand new monthly mini podcast. It's a special way for me to connect more personally with you, and it's a friendly space where you can just ask me anything. And in each episode, I share my crochet journey, bits of my family life, the ups and downs, the in-betweens, and I'm just trying to keep it casual, honest, and a way to reflect while hopefully inspiring you as well. My Patreon members also get behind-the-scenes sneak peeks at what I'm working on, especially my crochet roundable patterns and their matching storybooks. I love sharing the creative process with you, from how I design and crochet each character to how the Yarnwood storybooks come together. You'll get exclusive access to all of my Yarnwood activity sheets, and they're perfect for sharing with your kids or adding a touch of magic to your crochet world. So I know that Patreon is a way for you to support my work, and I'm truly grateful that a platform like this exists for creators like me. I've already had such wonderful experiences with the kind and supportive people who've already joined, and I just want to say thank you. Your support truly means the world to me. I never want your support to feel just like a tip jar, so it's important for me to make my Patreon fun, meaningful, and full of value. Something that keeps you creative, inspired, and hopefully connected. I've reworked this space many times because I truly want it to be a crochet community where we can grow together. Now I'm still in the early phases of building all of this, so things may evolve as we go, but this vision is what guides everything I'm creating for you here. Okay, so everything I've just mentioned is included in my $5 tier, and I call this the Yarn Squad, and it's an easy way to jump in and be a part of the community. But if you're looking for something a little extra, I also offer a $10 tier, and I call this the Hook Squad. This tier includes a few extra exclusive perks, and I think you're really going to like them. It's just my way of saying thank you for going the extra mile to support what I do. Okay, so there's just two main bonuses that I really want to highlight and talk about. And the first one is the Stitch of the Month Club. This is an exclusive monthly feature where I teach you a brand new stitch. And I teach you this through an easy to follow tutorial. And it's designed to help you grow your skills and stay inspired. Now I created this because I know how easy it is to get stuck on the same stitches, especially when you're newer to crochet. Now each stitch comes with a handy printable reference guide, and I try to make those as useful and cute as possible. Plus I do a short video tutorial so that you can follow along at your own pace with me. Okay, so the second bonus I want to talk about is the monthly printable. Now each month you'll get a printable that goes along with the theme of the month. And I always try to design these to be meaningful, useful, or just something fun to brighten up your month. And this month's printable is a Crochet Keepsake journal. So these pages are here to help you capture your stories behind your stitches, whether you're making a gift, preserving a memory, or just tracking your progress. These pages were designed to give you the space to write down what you've made, who it was for, what inspired you, and any little memories that came with it. I just think it's a lovely way to reflect on your creative journey and to remember the heart behind your favorite handmade pieces. Okay, so now that you know what's happening on my Patreon this month and you've gotten a peek into what this cozy crochet space is all about, I'd really love for you to come and check it out. Before I go, there are just 3 easy steps to get started. So step 1, all you need to do is click the link in the description box and head on over to my Patreon page. Step 2, once you're at my Patreon page, just go to the membership tab and choose the tier that works best for you. And I have 3 tiers to choose from, so just pick what feels right for you. For step 3, all you need to do is just click on the home page, and then you can scroll down and see what's been posted and see if there's anything that you'd like to look at. Or you can click on the Collections tab and easily find what you're looking for. So inside the Collections tab, you'll see this month's theme, Made with Love, and you can find everything else that's posted. So you can explore the past months at any time you want to. I never take anything down, so you're free to enjoy all of the content at your own pace. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I cannot wait to see you there.